Pork baby backs. Grilled, not smoked. Ooh, and it is too hot. I think I prefer them grilled more than I do smoked. It's a nice change. No sauce needed. What do we use? Harry Sue all-purpose?
We use the chicken on the meat side and the all-purpose on the bone side. Many teams have won first place USA
Okay.
using that combination.
Very good.
Ribs, Slappy Daddy sauce. No sauce needed. Delicious.
There's some ribs here. And you're right. You don't need any sauce on these things. I need a napkin to wipe my mouth, but very good. Very good.
Trying out the grilled ribs. Perfect bite. Very good. Great smoke flavor, even with just being grilled. Perfect.
All right, first time trying a grilled rib, Harry Sue's. Very good. Very tender. Not over seasoned. You don't even need a sauce. Very good.